Picture this, a day in the life of a satisfied customer. Enter Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection. Quick response, check. Or on-time arrival, absolutely. Clear explanations of planned work, you bet. This isn't just a company, it's a team of the happiest, friendliest professionals you'll ever meet. They don't just do the job, they go above and beyond. Cleaning gutters? Sure, but they also leave your home cleaner than they found it. It's about the task at hand, sure, but it's also about the experience. A service so exceptional, you'd want to rate them higher if only you could. That's the Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection Promise. Satisfaction is not just an aim, it's a guarantee. So, if you're in Stockton, California, and you need your roofing service, remember one name, Ron Williams, because here, we don't just fix your roof, we make your day.